So here we have a question: 8 divide 2 in the parenthesis 2 plus 2. Now let's solve this problem by using a PEMDAS rule. First priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction, also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, first we have to solve this parenthesis, okay? According to rule, first priority is parenthesis. So is equal to 8 divide 2. Now solve this parenthesis. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So multiply 4. Now here is division and here is multiplication. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So is equal to 8 divided 2 is equal to 4 multiply 4. Now 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. So the correct answer is 16. Okay.